Long hours under the sun can slowly take a toll on your vehicle's interior, causing glare, fading, and cracking that make every drive less enjoyable. This custom-fit DashMat dash cover is designed to solve those problems while giving your truck or SUV a clean, factory-style finish that feels right at home. Engineered specifically for compatible Chevrolet and GMC models with 3 defrost vents, it offers a precise fit that looks seamless rather than aftermarket. Each DashMat is custom patterned to follow the exact contours of your dashboard. All vent and sensor openings are pre-cut, so airflow, defrosting, and factory functions work exactly as intended. Once installed, the cover stays firmly in place using secure hook and loop fasteners, preventing shifting or curling even with daily driving. Installation is quick and straightforward, with no special tools required, making it an easy upgrade for any vehicle owner. This dash cover does more than improve appearance. It provides dependable protection against harmful UV rays that cause dashboards to crack, fade, and warp over time. By reducing windshield glare, it also enhances visibility and driving comfort, especially during sunrise and sunset. The soft phosph fiber carpet material helps regulate cabin temperature, keeping the interior cooler in hot weather and more comfortable year-round. Made from high-quality polyester fabric sourced from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic bottles, this DashMat is both durable and environmentally responsible. It resists fading, fraying, and shrinking, and it also helps hide existing blemishes on older dashboards, extending the life and value of your interior without costly repairs. Trusted by drivers since 1979, DashMat is known for reliable quality, accurate fit, and long-lasting performance. Many owners appreciate how well it matches the interior color and how noticeably it improves comfort and appearance. Before ordering, confirm your vehicle's year, model, and dash configuration for proper fitment. If you want to protect your dashboard and refresh your interior at the same time, this DashMat is a proven and practical solution. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel to discover more smart automotive upgrades and accessories.